In this episode of Benjamin's life, Benjamin visits the Eiffel Tower.
I want to go explore the Eiffel Tower and have fun.
So before we could go in the Eiffel Tower, we had to go through security. It was a very long line.
It was my birthday and I loved it. And it was kind of security to check your bags and make sure you don't have dangerous stuff, okay?
What's your birthday today? So to get on the Eiffel Tower, there were a bunch of very long lines, and the security was really long. There were so many people who wanted to get into the Eiffel Tower every day. You had to do so much to be able to get up there. So we had to go through one security checkpoint, we had to go through another security checkpoint, we had to wait on a line after line after a line.
Pretty much security and guards and a lot of lines. No, it's not you. I expected you might drop your phone in the water. Because there's water right over there.
Yes, there is water right over there.
This Eiffel Tower, I'm going to go there for my birthday and celebrate it. This is so much fun. And I got some fries.
Not the security check. Very for security.
So once we passed through all of the security, we got into an elevator. And the elevator took us up into the Eiffel Tower. We went all the way to the second floor.
The tower was the best thing that ever happened to me. It was super crowded you could ever imagine. It was super crowded you can ever imagine. Imagine that you were sleeping on the elevator of the Eiffel Tower and you woke up in the Eiffel Tower and then you're like, oh, ha, I'm in the Eiffel Tower. It's so crowded in the Eiffel Tower. Waha! Chaka! Chicka-boola! Chicka-boola!
Before we went on the Eiffel Tower, Benjamin and I studied so many fun facts about the Eiffel Tower. We got to see great views of Paris. We were so happy to see everything and see all of the different sights. There was so much to see. It was a very clear, beautiful day. We were excited and happy that we were able to do it. Look at Benjamin.
Eiffel Tower.
Happy to see the whole Eiffel Tower, and it was like old school. And I even saw my old hotel. It's right there by the loop.
So one of the main things that we wanted to do was to eat macaroons on the Eiffel Tower. What is more Parisian than eating macaroons on the Eiffel Tower?
Oh, great! That's great.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
My wish came true. I was to eat a macaroon on the Eiffel Tower. It was yummy. And what is more pretty than eating a macaroon on the Eiffel Tower and a nice view? Boy, was that macaroon tasty. Super yummy. It was blackest, yummiest, wackiest. And it was jelliest.
Benjamin was so happy to be on the Eiffel Tower. We were on the Eiffel Tower for hours and hours and hours. We only cut it down to a few minutes for you guys. But he was so happy to be celebrating his birthday here on the Eiffel Tower. Check out this view.
Yes.
Make a video, Dad.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're going down. And look at the view from down.
It was a long way down going the stairs on the Eiffel Tower. It was very steep.
So, don't you like that?
And then once we got to the first floor, there was some really cool things to check out.
Really love the Eiffel Tower, so now it's time to go home and celebrate my birthday at my hotel. Home sweet home. Celebrating my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come on, sing it with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Benjamin.
Thanks for traveling with us on our latest adventure in the ongoing saga we all know as Benjamin's Story. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you can be in the know about all things Benjamin. Also, check out some other cool videos and follow Benjamin on Instagram at Little Fly Bed Sty. See you soon.